So it's late summer, and now's the time to start including more cooked vegetables to your diet and less raw food. So tonight you can see I've got some veggies here, and things like raw carrot can be kind of hard to digest, and raw kale. So what I've done tonight is I first have cooked the carrot until it's almost tender, and then added the zucchini, sauteed, got some seasoning in there, and now I'm just working through some kale. We have kale in the garden. We don't have a whole lot growing now, but just some kale. And you want to just let that wilt until the bright green color comes out, kind of like, let's see, get some here. That's a little bit more cooked through. See that? It's starting to turn nice bright green. So this will be much easier to digest, and that's one of the tips of eating for late summer. I have a whole guide with recipes, and you can get that on my site if you want to have a look. Just comment Earth and we will send you the link.